Have you ever wondered how essential semiconductors are in this digital age? These tiny components are the engines driving the world of technology. They're found in everything from your smartphone to your car, to the servers that power the internet. Semiconductors are the lifeblood of our digital lives, transforming electrical currents into the binary language of ones and zeros. They have become the backbone of our digital economy, enabling the development of new technologies and industries. These tiny chips are the heart of modern electronics, and without them, the digital revolution would have been a mere dream. Semiconductors have not only made our lives more convenient, they've also opened up a world of possibilities, from artificial intelligence to smart homes to self-driving cars. Their importance cannot be overstated, and as we continue to move towards an even more digital and interconnected world, their role is only set to grow. Now let's delve into the top 9 semiconductor stocks to watch in 2024. Starting off our countdown at number 9 is Advanced Micro Devices. Known to many by its acronym, AMD, this company has steadily cemented its position in the semiconductor space over the years. It's been a strong contender, not only in the gaming and personal computing segments but also in the data center market. In recent years, AMD's performance has been nothing short of impressive. It has consistently outperformed expectations, showing resilience even in challenging market conditions. This is largely due to its innovative product portfolio, which includes the highly acclaimed Ryzen processors and Radeon graphics cards. Looking ahead, AMD's future appears promising. With a focus on next-generation technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, AMD is poised to stay at the forefront of the tech industry. The company's commitment to innovation, combined with its strategic partnerships and acquisitions, make it a compelling consideration for those looking to invest in the semiconductor space. AMD's innovative approach keeps it relevant in the ever-evolving tech industry. At number 8, we have the Intel Corporation. This tech titan needs no introduction. Known for its innovative approach, Intel has been a stalwart in the semiconductor industry for decades. It's not just about legacy though. Intel has consistently demonstrated strong performance, especially in the realm of computer processors, where it holds a significant market share. But it's not just about the present. Looking ahead, Intel has some ambitious plans. From expanding its foundry services to investing heavily in artificial intelligence and autonomous driving technologies, the company is constantly pushing the envelope. Intel's financials also paint a promising picture. Despite fierce competition, the company has consistently posted stable revenues and healthy profit margins, proving its resilience. In the ever-evolving semiconductor industry, Intel's combination of innovation, market dominance, and financial stability makes it a compelling choice. Intel's stability and dominance in the market make it a stock to consider. Coming in at number 7 is NVIDIA Corporation. This technology titan has seen impressive growth, bolstered by its dominance in the graphics processing unit or GPU market. NVIDIA's GPUs are the gold standard in the gaming industry, and with gaming's popularity soaring, this isn't likely to change anytime soon. Moreover, NVIDIA's GPUs are also crucial in fields like artificial intelligence and autonomous vehicles, sectors predicted to grow exponentially in the coming years. NVIDIA's strong position in the GPU market makes it a promising investment. At number 6 we have Texas Instruments. Known for its innovative contributions to the semiconductor industry, Texas Instruments has consistently demonstrated strong performance. This is largely due to their diverse portfolio, which includes products ranging from calculators to advanced microprocessors. Looking forward, Texas Instruments is poised to remain a leader in the industry. Their commitment to research and development, coupled with their strategic market positioning, promises a bright future. Texas Instruments' diversified portfolio makes it a solid investment choice. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Broadcom Inc. A titan in the semiconductor industry, Broadcom's footprint spans across multiple sectors, including wired infrastructure, wireless communications, enterprise storage, and industrial. Over the years, Broadcom has demonstrated robust performance with steady revenue growth. Looking into the future, Broadcom's strategic acquisitions and focus on high-growth markets like cloud computing and data centers signal a promising outlook. The company's commitment to innovation and its diversified product portfolio further solidify its position in the market. Broadcom's consistent performance and growth potential make it a stock to watch. Coming up next at number 4 is Micron Technology. This tech giant has made a significant mark in the semiconductor industry, especially with its remarkable performance in the memory sector. Micron Technology's focus on research and development has driven its growth, resulting in a continuous stream of innovative products. Looking ahead, the prospects for Micron are bright, with the ever-increasing demand for memory solutions in various sectors, such as consumer electronics, automotive, and more. Micron's strong foothold in the memory sector makes it a promising investment. At the number 3 spot, we have Qualcomm. A name synonymous with innovation, Qualcomm has been a stalwart in the wireless technology market, consistently delivering top-notch products. The company's performance has seen a steady rise over the years, a testament to its strong business model and strategic market positioning. Qualcomm has been dominating with its pioneering work in 5G technology. It has been instrumental in driving the global 5G revolution, with a vast majority of 5G devices worldwide powered by Qualcomm's advanced chipsets. This dominance in the 5G space has given Qualcomm an enviable edge over its competitors, further solidifying its position in the semiconductor world. Looking ahead, Qualcomm's future seems bright. The continued expansion of 5G networks globally and the growing demand for advanced wireless technology puts Qualcomm in a prime position to reap significant benefits. Furthermore, the company's robust research and development initiatives signal a commitment to stay ahead of the curve, promising exciting prospects for the future. Qualcomm's leadership in wireless technology makes it a strong contender in the semiconductor market. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. With a solid performance, Taiwan Semiconductor, or TSM as we know it, is a behemoth in the semiconductor manufacturing sector. Its dominance is not by chance, but the result of strategic planning, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. TSM has a reputation for producing high-quality semiconductors that are in demand by tech giants worldwide. This demand has led to impressive revenue growth, showing the company's ability to capitalize on market trends. But TSM is not resting on its laurels. The company continually invests in research and development to maintain its competitive edge and to pave the way for future growth. Looking ahead, TSM's prospects are bright. With the ongoing digital transformation and the increasing demand for advanced semiconductors in various sectors, such as AI, IoT, and 5G, TSM is well positioned to benefit from these trends. The company's commitment to sustainability and corporate responsibility also adds to its appeal. TSM's state-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities make it a top choice for investors. With its robust performance and promising future, TSM offers an attractive opportunity for those looking to invest in the semiconductor sector. And finally, at the number 1 spot we have Samsung Electronics. A titan in the tech world, Samsung Electronics has consistently demonstrated its prowess in the semiconductor industry. From smartphones to smart homes, Samsung semiconductors are integral to a wide range of devices that we use on a daily basis. The company's performance has been nothing short of impressive. Despite the ups and downs of the market, Samsung has managed to maintain a steady growth trajectory. This is largely due to its dominance in the DRAM and NAND flash markets, where it holds a significant market share. But what truly sets Samsung apart is its commitment to innovation. The company is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with semiconductor technology. It's already leading the race in the development of 7nm and 5nm chip technologies, and there's no sign of it slowing down anytime soon. Looking ahead, Samsung's future seems bright. With investments in next-generation technologies such as artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and 5G networks, the company is well positioned to capitalize on the digital revolution. Samsung's consistent performance and technological advancements make it the top semiconductor stock to watch in 2024.